Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to your virtual class of GK. Students, today we'll start with our new chapters of GK. This is for your SA2, Summative Assessment 2. So open your book on page number 26, Unit 4, chapter number 16 on page number 26, Fun Fruits and Veggies. Students, do you know what are fruits and what are vegetables? Fruits make up a large portion of our diets. A fruit is a seed-bearing part of a flowering plant that can be eaten as food. Did you know there are many foods that we consider to be vegetables but are actually fruits? Foods such as avocados, cucumbers, squash, and yes, even tomatoes are all fruits. Fruits make up a large portion of our diets. Fruits can be eaten raw, frozen, stewed, cooked, or even dried. Fruits can be fleshy like tomatoes or peaches, or they can be dry like coconuts or peanuts. Fruits can have many seeds in them like cantaloupe and watermelon, and they can have one single seed in them like avocados, almonds and cherries. Fruits may be very large like pumpkins and may be very small like blueberries. Here are some examples of fruits like apples, bananas, pears, plums, tomatoes, peaches, avocados, raspberries, blackberries, strawberries, pineapples, figs, breadfruit, mulberries, etc. Students, now we will talk about veggies or vegetables. What are vegetables? Vegetables are the parts of a plant that are solid and savory enough to be part of the meal before dessert. Vegetables are a hearty side dish or base for the main course. Vegetables grow from plants, but they do not have seeds on or inside them. Vegetables are parts of plants that are consumed by humans or other animals as food. Now, I will give you some examples of vegetables. Potatoes, lettuce, carrots, mushroom, brinjal, also known as eggplant, carrot, ginger, cauliflower, turnip, capsicum, French beans, onions, lotus stem, garlic, spinach, jackfruit, yam, etc. are all vegetables. Students, a fruit is usually thought of as any sweet tasting plant product with seeds, whereas a vegetable is any savory or less sweet tasting plant.